Hello, my name is Zaid. I'm from Billary School, and I'll be talking about heat, chapter 4 in Form 4 Physics. So, what is heat? Heat is a form of energy that can be measured in joules, and I'll be talking about specific heat capacity in the land and the ocean. I'll be explaining about sea breeze, what's specific heat capacity, how do you measure specific heat capacity, and stuff like that. So, heat is a form of energy that can be measured in joules, and heat capacity is the amount of heat energy needed for us to increase the temperature of an object by 1 degree Celsius per kg. So the higher the heat capacity, the longer time it takes for an object to increase its degree Celsius per kg. So today I'll be talking about land breeze and sea breeze. So you can see I want to talk about sea breeze first. So sea breeze here is when the sun is heating up the land and the sea. So right here, so the ocean, it has a higher heat capacity. So a high heat capacity needs more time to increase its it needs more heat amount. It needs more heat to increase its Celsius degree per kg. While the land has lower heat capacity, meaning it heats up very easily and faster too. So in the day, the sun will heat up the land faster, and it will make the land hotter faster than the sea. So that's why when we visit the beach is hotter than the water, and you'll have an urge to go to the water. That is because when the heat capacity of land is low and heat capacity of water is high. So the sun will heat up the water from dawn actually, till sunset, and that's a long time, and the water will have high heat capacity than the sun. So when it's at night, it's a whole different new level. So at night, you can see here is the moon is out. There's no heat coming from the moon, not that much, for it just reflects light from the sun, so that the land, which has a lower heat capacity, will be colder than the sea. That is because the sea has a higher heat capacity. Heat capacity, if it's high, it takes a long time for it to decrease its heat energy. So the sea will be filled with the sea will have a higher heat amount than the land. So the land will have a lower heat capacity than the sea. So therefore, that's why the land is colder than the sea. So heat capacity depends on many things. It depends on the volume of the object, it depends on the heat capacity of the object, it depends on the type of object, it depends on the area of an object, it depends on many things. Specific heat capacity though, it's the tendency of an object to increase its degree Celsius per kg on its own, which is Q equals to mc squared. And that is to sum up my experiment. I'd like to say thank you very much and goodbye.